In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account in TripAdvisor. If you're new to TripAdvisor, creating an account lets you save places, write reviews, ask questions in forums, and access your trips across devices, so it's worth setting up properly. First, open your favorite web browser and go to tripadvisor.com. The homepage might show destination ideas and travel deals, but we're heading to the top right corner of the page. Look for the Join button. If you don't see Join, you may see a sign-in link instead. Click Sign In, and on that sign-in window, you'll find a Join option. Go ahead and select that. Sometimes the site adjusts its layout based on your screen size, so if you're on a smaller display, you might need to open a menu to find it. Next, choose how you want to register. You can continue with Google or Facebook, which links your TripAdvisor account to one of those services and speeds up sign-in. If you prefer to keep things separate, choose Continue with Email. With the email option, you'll be asked for your email address and a password. Create a strong, unique password that you don't use elsewhere, and carefully follow the prompts on screen. You may be asked to agree to the terms and privacy policy and confirm that you're not a robot. After you submit your details, TripAdvisor will send a confirmation message to the email address you provided. Open your email inbox and look for that message. If it doesn't arrive within a few minutes, refresh your inbox and check your spam or junk folder just in case. When you find the email, open it and click the verification link inside. This step activates your account and ensures the address truly belongs to you. Keep the browser tab open while you do this, so you're returned to TripAdvisor smoothly. Once your email is verified, your new account is ready to use. You can personalize your profile later, but you're already set to start saving hotels and attractions, writing reviews, and planning future trips. If you're on a shared computer, remember to sign out when you finish. On your own devices, consider allowing the browser to save your login for quicker access next time. And if TripAdvisor offers to send notifications, choose what suits you. You can always adjust preferences and settings. That's it. You've created your TripAdvisor account, and you're ready to explore with confidence.